Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Abdullah. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about Linux especially. So this is a general topic that I'm going to talk about. I will show you first of all my configuration and how my system look, and then we will just go over some random topic that might be very much useful for you. So for further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, this environment here is a window manager known as Qtile. So Qtile is a hackable Python window manager. So it's written in Python, so you can create your own widget and like screen and box, everything. You can customize it, make it look the way you want. So I'm the one that make this customization. You can see the Bluetooth, this and this arch logo here also you can see. So yeah, when I wanna open this, doesn't have any graphic things, so you can just, it's specially built to be used as a terminal based system. So we can just open. I have the GUI of GNOME here. Like Nautilus is what I installed for my file icons and file manager. So I'm going to open it. If I do window R, you can see it like when I open it. So this is how it looks. So by default, if you use GNOME, if either in Ubuntu or in any other distro where GNOME is the desktop environment, then you will notice that the color of these icons, they are not the same with what you used to see. So I install this one, I download this and install it. So when I install it, I will show you quickly how to install Qtile. Even if you have a window manager, a desktop environment like GNOME or KDE, you can install still another desktop environment and switch to that desktop environment while logging. So there is no problem with that. Both can work properly fine. So let me open my terminal and show you how you can install Qtile. So to install Qtile, you can just do sudo pacman dash capital S and then Qtile. So when you, this is Qtile, it's very small package, so it's about less than 5 MB. So it's very small, and then you, when you install this, you are good to go. So and then actually, if you want to choose the file icons that I'm going to show you right now, how I was able to use these icons, the theme, you need to install ls appearance appearance. You need to install this. When you install this, then you will be able to use everything that I'm going to tell you now. So there is one more thing that you need to install also, which is you need to use, if you are, let's say, in Ubuntu, you have to use sudo apt install, but and then the package will be the same, the package name. If it is Qtile, you do Qtile. If it is ls appearance, you have to type ls appearance. It will work fine. So the next thing that we just need is as you can see, these icons, they work fine. They look so beautiful. So this is known as Growbox theme. So I will open let me open another one here. Let me open I'll open my Firefox here and show you this quickly. So I think this one is okay. So this is my GitHub things, and you can find me by typing Abdullah GK on your browser. So you will see me, the first link on your GitHub. You just see me there, no problem. Actually, I'm going to sign in again. So don't look at this. So now I'm here. So if you install it, you need to download this file. You can come here. I'm not going to show you, if because there are many files here that you maybe don't need. So I'm going to show you only how you can get the particular file that you need, you must have after installing Qtile. So you need to have a config file. I'll show you that one, but you just come to Qtile. Inside the Qtile, this config.py is the file that you need. This is the configuration file that I'm having right now. So before that, like, you need to check this Qtile, Qtile dependencies. You need to install these things. So I need to add some things here. Like, you need to install the brightness CTL, and you need to install this Python Qtile, and then there are some other things that you need to make use of your Bluetooth or your Wi-Fi, or let's say you need to come to Qtile. When you come to Qtile, and the Qtile is hackable window manager, as you can see it. Okay, so there are some kind of restriction that I'm having. Okay, so I'm coming to GitHub. Okay, cool. So this is the Qtile repository on GitHub. So let me see if I can go to documentation. There are some things like different tricks. Yes, so right now we are inside Qtile. This is the documentation, and you can see a lot of things, like it is very well documented as any other Python file, a Python package that you can just you will just check and you see how it's very good. It's usually having very good documentation. So you can, if you see these icons or these workspace, the way that I make it, you will see that these are known as widgets. So you will just check it, built-in widget. So when you click here, you will see some dependencies. If you want to add these, just scroll down, you read each of these, what is going to do. They explain you very simple. If there is any kind of dependency that you need, for example, if you want to use the Bluetooth, you need to install this dbus next. You need to install this widget requirements, and then you need to install this. Yeah, so let me come back to come back here and show you this. So let me open my going to open my Qtile config. So the file will be, when you install it, it will be inside your config file, cd.config and then /Qtile. So inside here, you will see this config.py. You use your favorite text editor. I'm going to use Vim. You are free to use anything you want. So you just type Vim and then config.py, and then you open it. So whatever, I'm using Vim, so that's what I'm comfortable with. So you can see that this is the whole file. It's only 368 lines. So that's very small, and my system is working the way I want it to be. So for example, if I want to take a screenshot, I use flame shot, I install it, and wherever I take a screenshot, it's going to be in my my pictures directory. So when I do a window and my leader key, which is my mode key, which is my window, it is also known as the super key, and the print screen, and you can see that now it's showing that, like, I can take a screenshot here of anything. I can save it, I can do whatever I want, I can save it, and it worked fine. So there are some other things also. If I want to open my file explorer, so I'm using Rofi. You can install Rofi, mod R, it's Rofi, so I can just move between this. So I just do LX appearance. So this is the thing that you need, LX appearance, that can help you to choose the widget that you want, or the theme, the icons that you want. You can see the icons. I'm using this. If I change to this one, you will see it change to Tokyo Night Dark, and this is, I'm using Growbox now. So this is my default, and when you choose it, you click on apply, it works fine. If you have this, the color, the widget, and this is where you can change the font. I'm using Ijoveka font, and if you want the font also, it's already there. I change it from there. Other things also you can explore. It works fine, perfectly fine. So if you do mod R, you can just scroll and see things here that are having available. So I use my terminal Kitty. So if I do neofit, it's very lightweight. You can see that it's Qtile, and I'm only 700 packages, almost 758 packages. So I think if I do sudo pacman, so this will remove some packages, I'm pretty sure. All right, so it's fine. So there is nothing like orphan packages that I'm having. So you can install it and do it, so it worked fine. And this is what I wanted to show you. If you have any other things that you want me to show you, okay, so let me show you one more things. Like when you come to my GitHub repo, let me maximize it. When you do this, you come to my GitHub, under my .file, you see me Abdullah BK. Under my .files, you click here, and down here you will see all the software that I'm using and some of the things. Arc setup, this is the theme. When you click here, it will direct you to that particular theme, and the icons, I'll just show it to you. And I'm using MPVR, my video player, new Vim, Flamesword, OBS. Yeah, so here is the font. You can see how it looks right now. I can zoom it a bit so that you can see it. Oh, interesting. So there are these fonts. I think they added this one. I have never seen this one. This one wasn't here. Let me see it today. Interesting. Wow, this one also looks so beautiful. I even didn't know about this, so this one also looks beautiful. Interesting. Can you see it? It looks amazing. So I will install this one as well, and I'll be jumping between these. They looks amazing, fantastic theme, and the comments, they are just so beautiful. So thank you all for watching. This is all I want to show you. I put the link to the description, these links to the description of the video, and yeah, I'm happy to answer any comment.